Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. We are going to cover the chapter number 5 from class 11th NCERT Fundamentals of Physical Geography. So far we have covered 11 chapters from the class 11th NCERT of Geography. Now we had missed chapter number 5 but now we are going to cover that as well. ठीक है, टोटल हमने 11 चैप्टर्स कर लिए हैं. ठीक है, 5th चैप्टर मिस हो गया था तो उसको हम आज कवर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, डिटेल में होलिस्टिकली. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू कवर एनसीईआरटीज फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ प्रीलिम्स. हम प्रीलिम्स के पर्सपेक्टिव से एनसीईआरटीज को फिनिश कर रहे हैं. सो वी हैव टेकन द टारगेट ऑफ कवरिंग टेक्स्ट बुक फॉर क्लास 11th एनसीईआरटी फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी. दिस one एनसीईआरटी वी आर गोइंग टू कवर इन दीज क्लासेस एंड ग्रेजुअली वी आर गोइंग टू कवर other NCERTs also of class 11th in geography and class 12th. The class notes will be available on our telegram channel simplifying UPSC with ease. Class के notes आपको telegram channel पे मिल जाएंगे simplifying UPSC with ease. Okay, so let's start the class. So when we talk about minerals and rocks, we know that this earth, the planet earth, it is composed of various kind of elements, and these elements are in solid form in the outer layer of the earth, that is in the exterior of the earth, but they are in hot and molten form in the interior layer of the earth. तो हमारा अर्थ जो है अलग अलग एलिमेंट से बना है, अर्थ का क्रस्ट. ठीक है, और ये जो एलिमेंट्स हैं ये सॉलिड फॉर्म में भी होते हैं आउटर लेयर में, और इनर लेयर में इंटीरियर में हॉट और मोल्टन फॉर्म में होते हैं. राइट, then we move ahead. We know that about 98% of total crust of the earth, it is composed of 8 elements. So the 8 elements are, we have oxygen, we have magnesium, we have sodium, potassium, calcium, silicon, iron and aluminium. These are the 8 elements. 90%, 98% of the earth's crust is made up of these elements. And the rest, that is the 2%, it is made up of phosphorus, manganese, sulfur, hydrogen, titanium and carbon. This is the rest of the 2%. And the elements in the earth's crust, they are rarely found exclusively, but they are usually combined with other elements to make various substances. And these substances are known as minerals. Okay, so what is a mineral? क्या हुआ एक mineral? Mineral is a naturally occurring organic and inorganic substance. Okay, and see, a mineral has a definite chemical composition and it has several physical properties also. We know that mineral is composed of 2 or more elements. But sometimes single element minerals like sulfur, like copper, silver, gold, graphite, etc., they are also found. Okay. So before we move forward with the properties of these minerals and rocks, let's have a discussion on a short announcement. Unacademy has launched Unacademy Impulse, which is India's largest online free test series on current affairs. It's free of cost. It's a free test series on current affairs for UPSC CSE exam, and it's going to be conducted on 22nd Jan, 26th Jan and 29th Jan at 10 AM in the morning. सुबह 10 बजे 22 जनवरी, 26 जनवरी और 29 जनवरी को ये जो टेस्ट सीरीज है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट लॉन्च होगी 10 बजे. एंड द बेनिफिट इज दैट इफ यू गिव दिस टेस्ट सीरीज ऑन करंट अफेयर्स लाइव, अगर आप लाइव देते हो ये टेस्ट, देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट योर ऑल इंडिया रैंक एज वेल. आपको आपकी ऑल इंडिया रैंक भी मिलने वाली है. सो देयर विल बी 30 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. 30 आपके एमसीक्यूज होंगे, 60 मार्क्स, दैट मीन्स 2 मार्क्स ईच, and there will be negative marking of 0.67 marks. Total 40 minutes time will be given. 10 to 10:40 AM ये टेस्ट कंडक्ट होगा, and then after the test you will be getting detailed test analysis session also. Over here video solutions आपको मिलेंगे discussing the solution of the questions. Now how to enroll in this test? For that you have to go to the app store and download the Unacademy learning app. If you already have the app, then you have to sign in into the app or the website and go to the test section. In the test section, click on the see all button in the test section and then enroll in the test series for free. Now there will be a code that they will ask you to unlock this test for free. इस टेस्ट को free of cost unlock करने के लिए कोड आपसे पूछा जाएगा. That code will be Arpita 10. ये होगा वो कोड. So using this code, you can unlock the plus experience for free on Unacademy's learning app and start learning from the best educators in India. Complete your preparation for UPSC CSE with free live classes and tests. Use code Arpita10 to unlock all the features of Unacademy Plus for free. The link is given below in the description box. So now when we talk about the elements, we know that number of elements making up the lithosphere, they are limited because they are combined in many different ways to make up many varieties of minerals. We can say that there are at least 2000 minerals that have been named and identified in the earth crust, but almost all the commonly occurring ones are related to 6 major mineral groups which are known as major rock forming minerals. So when we look at the basic source of all these minerals, it is the hot magma which is present in the interior of earth. And when this magma cools down, crystals of minerals appear and a systematic series of minerals are formed in a sequence to solidify. And after getting solidified, this magma gets converted into rock. जब ये कूल डाउन हो जाता है तो ये रॉक में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. So minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, they are organic substances which are found in solid, liquid and gaseous forms respectively. Now let's have a look at the physical characteristics of these minerals. तो इनकी physical characteristics को देख लेते.
So moving on to the physical characteristics of the minerals. So over here the first physical characteristic is external crystal form. So we know that it is determined by the internal arrangement of the molecules in the minerals. So the internal arrangement of the molecules present in the mineral, we have different external form in minerals. For example, there are cubic forms of minerals, we have octahedrons, then we have hexagonal prisms, right? These are the different kind of external forms of the minerals. Okay? Now the second important physical characteristic of mineral is cleavage. Now it's the tendency to break in given directions, producing relatively plain surfaces, and it is because of internal arrangement of molecules. Again, same thing applied over here as well. Okay? So it may cleave in one or more directions and at any angle to each other, forming a plane surface. Third important physical characteristic is known as fracture. You must have seen some of the minerals who have fractured surfaces, who have you can say, आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हो दरार होती है surfaces पे. ठीक है, तो वो क्यों होती है? Because of the internal molecular arrangement. It is so complex that there are no planes, there is no plane surface on the external molecular you can say external surface of the minerals. Okay, so the crystal in that case, the mineral crystal which is formed in that case, it will break in a very irregular manner, okay, which leaves the minerals with a fractured surface. Now the fourth important physical characteristic is known as luster. Now it means the shiny or glossy surface of the mineral. Okay? Now each mineral has a very different kind of luster, like metallic, silky, glossy, shiny, etc. Then the next important feature, physical characteristic, can be color. Now some minerals, they have characteristic color determined by their molecular structure. For example, we have azurite, we have chalcopyrite, right? And some minerals are colored by impurities. For example, red color, yellow color minerals, white color minerals, etc. Then coming on to the structure. When we talk about structure, we know that particular arrangement of the individual crystals, fine, medium or coarse grained, fibrous or separable, divergent, radiating, they are also found. Then we have hardness as a physical characteristic. Relative resistance being scratched, 10 minerals are selected to measure the degree of hardness from 1 to 10. For example, we have topaz, we have feldspar, calcite, tail, fluorite, quartz. These are very hard and very rocky minerals. Then we have specific gravity. The ratio between weight of a given object and weight of an equal volume of water. That is the specific gravity in a mineral. So these are the different kind of physical characteristics which are found in a mineral, and they are very, very important for your prelims as well. Okay, now let's move forward towards the different types of minerals. So when we look at different type of minerals, we have metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. In the metallic minerals, these minerals contain metal content and they can be further subdivided into 3 types. First can be the precious metals, for example gold, silver. Then we have ferrous metals, iron and other metals often mixed with iron to form various kinds of steel. Then we have non-ferrous metals, include metals like copper, lead, zinc, tin, aluminium, etc. Then we have the non-metallic minerals which do not contain metal content. For example, nitrates, for example, sulfur, phosphates. These are the example of non-metallic minerals. And we know that cement is a mixture of non-metallic minerals only. Okay, so you have to remember that as well. So now after studying minerals, the most important type, you can say important topic is rocks. We know that Earth's crust is composed of rocks. And what is a rock? It is an aggregate of one or more minerals. ठीक है. Rock may be hard, it can be soft, for example granite, soapstone, gabbro, quartzite. And rocks do not have definite composition of mineral constituents. Feldspar and quartz, they are the most common minerals which are usually found in the rocks. रॉक्स को स्टडी करने का जो साइंस होता है उसको हम पेट्रोलॉजी बोलते हैं. अ पेट्रोलॉजिस्ट स्टडीज रॉक्स इन ऑल देयर एस्पेक्ट्स लाइक मिनरल कॉम्पोजिशन, अकरेंस, ऑल्टरेशन, ओरिजिन, टेक्सचर, स्ट्रक्चर एंड रिलेशनशिप ऑफ वन रॉक इन रिस्पेक्ट टू अदर. सो दैट साइंस इज नोन एज पेट्रोलॉजी. ओके, नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रॉक्स एज वेल. So based on the kind, you can say based on the formation, mode of formation, there are three kind of rocks. First is the igneous rock, second is the sedimentary rock, and third is known as the metamorphic rock. The igneous rocks, these are solidified form of magma and lava. The sedimentary rocks, these are the result of deposition of fragments of rocks by exogenous process, for example weathering, for example ocean waves. Ocean waves also carry many parts of different minerals and they deposit them forming rocks. Then we have metamorphic rocks which are formed out of existing rocks undergoing recrystallization. So igneous rocks, they are also known as primary rocks. As igneous rocks form out of magma and lava from the interior of earth, they are known as primary rocks. And igneous rocks, in this, igneous word is a Latin word which means fire, and they are formed when magma cools and solidifies. ओके, जब माग्मा ठंडा हो जाता है, सॉलिडिफाई हो जाता है, तो वो इग्नियस रॉक बनता है. यू ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट माग्मा इज. व्हेन माग्मा इन इट्स अपवर्ड मूवमेंट कूल्स एंड टर्न्स इनटू सॉलिड फॉर्म, इट इज नोन एज इग्नियस रॉक. एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ कूलिंग एंड सॉलिडिफिकेशन कैन हैपन इन द अर्थ्स क्रस्ट ऑल्सो और ऑन द surface of the earth as well. Igneous rocks, they are classified based on texture. Okay, so example of igneous rocks can be, we have basalt as an example, we have gabbro as an example, we have pegmatite as an example. These are the different examples of igneous rocks. Okay, the igneous rocks. Now coming towards the sedimentary rock. In sedimentary, the word sedimentary is a Latin word. It is sedimentum, which means settling. Okay, so the rocks, igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic of the earth's surface, they are exposed to denudational agents and they are broken up into various size of fragments, and these fragments are transported by different exogenous agents and deposited. So these deposits through compaction, they turn into rocks which are known as sedimentary rocks. Okay, this process is known as lithification. Again, very important part of prelims. Okay, now coming towards the metamorphic rocks. The word metamorphic means change of form, and these rocks form under the action of pressure, volume and temperature, which is known as PVT. Okay, so now the metamorphism occurs when rocks are forced down to lower levels by tectonic process, or when molten magma rising through the crust comes in contact with the crustal rocks, or the underlying rocks are subjected to great amount of pressure by overlying rocks. So metamorphism is a process by which already consolidated rocks undergo recrystallization and reorganization of materials within original rocks. Okay, so that is metamorphism. इसी के अंदर आपका dynamic metamorphism process भी आता है, which is mechanical disruption and reorganization of original minerals within the rocks. That is dynamic metamorphism. Now we all know that when we talk about rocks, we know that they do not remain, write it down, that they do not remain in their original form. अपने original form में तो rocks रहते नहीं है, ठीक है, हमको ये बात पता है. For long they undergo transformation, and this transformation happens because of the rock cycle. Is rock cycle, what is it? It's a continuous process through which old rocks are transformed into new rocks. Okay, and we know that in this igneous rocks, they are the primary rocks, and other rocks like sedimentary and metamorphic rocks, both of these they occur from these primary rocks. चाहे आप sedimentary rock पढ़ लो, metamorphic पढ़ लो, ये igneous rock से ही निकल कर आते हैं. So igneous rocks can be changed into metamorphic rocks, and the fragments derived out of igneous and metamorphic rocks form into sedimentary rocks. And sedimentary rocks themselves can turn into small fragments, and fragments can be the source for formation of again sedimentary rocks. ओके, सो दिस इंटायर साइकिल इज कॉल्ड द रॉक साइकिल. इस पूरे साइकिल को हम रॉक साइकिल बोलते हैं. सो यू विल बी गेटिंग द क्लास PDF on our Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease, and also I am taking history batches on Unacademy Plus. If you are interested in subscribing to Unacademy Plus, you can get an extra 10% discount by using this code Sharma20. The link for the subscription is given below in the description box. Do subscribe today, use this code and book your seat. Thank you and have a beautiful day ahead.